You guys know how much I talk about this hair tool, the T3 Micro Airebrush Duo. I used to really like it for blowouts, but I noticed that the brush was just not that strong for my hair type. I wanted something that would kind of like pull my hair a little bit more, just so that I can get more tension and my hair can be a lot more smooth. So T3 Micro came out with a new hair tool that I think is going to be just that. I feel like this hair tool is exactly what I needed. So they just came out with the T3 Airbrush, not Duo, just the Airbrush. The Airbrush Duo has two different attachments. That's why it's called the Airbrush Duo. But this one is just the round brush, and it doesn't come off or anything. It's literally kind of like the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. It's just one hair tool, and I'm glad that the attachment is the round brush attachment, because I never use the paddle brush attachment. I just really like using round brushes to blow out my hair, so I feel like this is gonna be perfect. I can't wait to try it out. I'm gonna give you guys my honest thoughts, so let's get right into it. So let's open this up. This has 3 heat settings, 2 speed settings. It has a T3 even flow technology and Glass ceramic surface. So this is supposed to give you a very nice smooth look with a nice smooth glide. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so cool. First time trying it out, first impressions. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. You guys already know. And this video is not sponsored, but this was sent to me in PR. This also has a cool shot. I don't usually use the cool shot, but it does have one just in case if you wanted to use that. It is lightweight, but it feels a little tiny bit heavier than this one, but it is way shorter than the Airbrush Duo. So I really like that about this hair tool already, because I felt like this one was way too long. This brush is way stronger. Like, it just feels a lot thicker, and I feel like it's gonna give me a better grip. This is also an oval brush. The Airbrush Duo is like a circular round brush. This is more like an oval brush. The brush is also a lot bigger. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. This just came out. Unfortunately, I don't know the price of this because it just got in PR, and I'm actually filming this before it comes out, so I have no idea how much this is going to cost, but I am going to put it on the screen so you guys can know the price. But I'm thinking it's going to be around $150. That's just what I think. But anyways, I'm going to prep my hair. I'm going to use the Olaplex number 9. I absolutely love this. This is a bond protector. This feels like a serum, like a skin serum. It feels incredible. So I'm using products that I already know that I love and that I use all the time and that work for my curly hair, just because I want to make sure that nothing really else is different from this routine other than the blow dryer. So that's how we're really going to put it to the test. But wow, already my hair feels so good. This number 9 is incredible. This also protects your hair from the heat. Let me know also in the comments down below if you want me to compare this hair tool to any other blow dryer brushes out there. I can compare it to the Revlon Plus. I can compare it to the old Airbrush Duo. If you have that one, maybe you want to upgrade to this one, or maybe the other one might work better for you. So let me know if you guys want a comparison video. I'm going to use the Olaplex number 6 and 7. I'm going to combine these two. So I'm applying about that much. And I'm just going to do the bottom section for now, and then I'm going to do the top section. So I'm going to add 2-3 drops just like that. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to apply that to the hair. These 3 products are like the match made in heaven. Like, they just work so well together, and they give you very nice blowouts. So the number 6 is going to be kind of like a leave-in treatment, and it's going to add a ton of moisture to your hair. And then the oil is amazing because this is not like other oils that you can't use before adding heat to your hair. You can actually use this before and after using heat. So yeah, it's amazing, and it adds a ton of shine. And so these 3 products really help with frizz as well. So I'm applying a little bit more to the top. You can even see how these products make my curly hair just look a lot healthier, like more moisturized already. We're gonna turn this on and put it in the highest heat setting and high speed. It has 2 speed settings and 3 heat settings. So we're gonna put these all the way up. You already know. There you go. Let's try it out. I'm so excited. So excited about this. Okay. I hope it's a little bit hotter than the other one. And the brush feels amazing. It feels amazing. Look at that. It's able to like really pull the hair, like just to make it smoother. I'm actually so excited about this. Wow. This feels amazing. It feels very gentle. It feels like it's smoothing out my hair. Oh my god. It's starting to look smooth. is very big, I'm still able to get very close to the root. Look how smooth my hair looks, and it looks so shiny. Okay, this brush is 100 times better than this one. I'm sorry, but I mean, this one's perfect for like fine hair. Like if you have wavy hair, you might really like this. But for curly hair, like for thicker hair, I feel like I really needed something like this. So yeah, I've only done one section, but I already know I'm gonna love this. It was just so easy to use, and my hair feels great. It really did smooth out my hair super well. It gave me a nice little curl. It looks super shiny. And yeah, let's see how it feels on this side. It's probably the same thing, but let's see how it feels. Okay, because this side is less curlier than this side, so it is a little bit easier to do. I also love that this doesn't get hot, so if you wanted to use both hands, you can totally do that. This is drying my hair so quickly. Like, wow. I can see myself using this so much. Okay, so this is the other section. Also dried my hair so quickly, and my hair looks super smooth. Like, it was really able to get very close to the roots, and I just feel like this is gonna give me a super quick smooth blowout. Like, it's just gonna give me a nice blowout, and I feel like I'm gonna use this hair tool a lot. Yeah, I feel like this could turn into like one of my go-to blow dryers for blowouts. But anyways, I'm going to do all my hair now, and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Let's see if this is better than a lot of other blow dryer brushes that I have. I want to compare this so bad to another hair tool, so let me know in the comments down below which hair tool you want me to compare this blow dryer to. I can compare it to the old one, the Airebrush Duo, but I already know that I'm gonna like this one more. But anyways guys, I'm gonna do all my hair now, and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Okay guys, I am done doing all my hair, and let me tell you, I am very impressed with the final look. I can't believe that this was just a blowout. Like, my hair looks so smooth and I have so much shine. Maybe it was the Olaplex products. You guys already know I love these products. That's why I always use them, and they work super well for my curly hair. But I have to say, this blow dryer is amazing. Like, it really did smooth out my hair super well. I am very impressed with the final look. My hair looks so smooth, and look at that shine. And even the roots on this side, which is like my curlier side, they don't look that bad. Look how smooth it was able to get my roots. Like, it was really able to smooth out these curls right here. I really thought that because this is a bigger round brush, that it was not going to get very close to the roots. It wasn't going to smooth out my roots super well. But I really like this brush because the bristles are not super long. So they're just long enough that, you know, they grab a ton of hair, but you're also able to get very close to the roots with this brush. So yeah, this hair tool, I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it is amazing. I would totally use it again. I am going to use it again. I'm going to add a little tiny bit more of oil to my hair, just a little tiny bit more, maybe about that much. But my hair really doesn't need it. It looks super shiny. So yeah, I feel like this blow dryer and the products just worked super well together. So I'm going to be linking everything down below if you guys want to purchase anything. I'm also going to try to put it on the screen right here on the YouTube app as well. This blow dryer really made my hair so flat and smooth that it almost feels like if I don't have a lot of volume, but I'll take it because I need blow dryers like this that are going to give me a smooth blowout and are not going to leave waves on the roots. I can even see myself using this hair tool and the heated round brush on top just to give myself even more volume, more bounce, even smooth out my hair a little bit more if I want to. I feel like these two would work super well together, but this on its own gave me an amazing blowout. Like, I am super impressed. I will say it took me about 50 minutes, 52, to do all my hair, and to me that's not bad because it left my hair super smooth. I feel like it doesn't look unfinished. Like, it looks super nice. Like, I can go out like this, especially in the winter. I feel like my hair is not going to get frizzy. I won't need extra heat or anything. So I'd rather spend the extra 10 minutes on blowing out my hair with a nice hair tool that is going to give me longer lasting results anyways. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Totally recommend this hair tool, the Airbrush. If you guys want me to compare it to the Airbrush Duo, let me know in the comments down below. I can totally do that, or I can compare this to any other hair tool, even the Revlon or anything else. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.